Transportation infrastructure is strictly defined as facilities which excluded spending of federal debt outlays for homeland security.
Okay, so what does that basically mean? Can you rephrase?
So that means that facilities that outside like the United States of America, the United States does not count as transportation infrastructure.
Okay. And doesn't your counterplan also have Alaska do the same thing? So isn't your counterplan also untopical?
Our counterplan is like Alaska, so then our government is Alaska, so it's within the homeland security.
Right, but you're giving Alaska to the icebreakers to the Coast Guard, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So doesn't that also?
We're doing like we're giving the thing to the. After building the icebreakers, the Alaska's government will use the icebreaker itself, and then since Alaska is part of the United States, like the continent, so then it will also boost the U.S. economy.
Yeah, so Alaska is the actor here, correct?
What?
Alaska's government is the actor here.
Yes.
The actor of the counterplan.
Yes.
And only the Alaska government?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So can you give me the date of your evidence that says immigration reform will pass?
– 2012.
Okay. So all that is before elections, correct?
No, it's 2013.
Date, please.
January 2nd.
Well, that's also
After what?
It's 2013.
oh, okay. And sorry, but is the definition of your of topicality the one that you just gave me the only topicality argument you're running?
No.
It's time. One and over. Where are we going?
K, DA, and counterplan.
KDA Counterman? Whenever you're ready.
Okay. Okay, they cannot say that there's no alternative to the plan because our alternative is not letting the USFG do their plan. They will make them by not doing their plan, by not making the USFG do their plan. The USFG will be decreasing their capitalism, and they cannot permute because they just first say that our alternative is bad, blah blah, capitalism is good, but then now they're just saying that we permute it. So that means they're saying that they're permuting our alternative, which means it's saying that we're going to not let ourselves do the plan. So which means that they're saying that they're like not going to do their own plan. For the DA, we still have uniqueness. Their evidence says that they're already passing, but our evidence says that it's in progress but not yet. Like we're not passing. It's not passing. We're in the midst. So we're still the U.S. government or Obama is still trying to work on passing the bill. So we still have uniqueness, and our DA still stands. Counterplan. Again, they cannot permute because the USFG doesn't need your plan. They need immigration. They can just make Alaska do it because Alaska is closer to the Arctic and it has many coasts. So since Alaska is going to be doing it and the USFG is going to be doing immigration, it will boost the US competitiveness in both ways. And plus, we do not need your icebreaker plan for immigration. Like, we do not need your icebreaker plan to be put into the USFG to pass immigration because we're already in the midst of doing it, but we're not passing immigration yet, so we don't really need your help for making the Republicans vote. Also, they cannot say we're off topic because the counter plan is totally predictable because it's about states. I mean, like it's a change of agent. You can actually kind of predict that, oh, because we're doing the USFG, that the negative is going to be like, okay, we're going to do states. And plus, nobody really does this kind of debate anymore about like, oh, whether the counter plan has to be on topic or off topic. So our counter plan is still okay, even though we're using the state, as I said before, it's still topical. They keep saying that like political capital is like not key, but according to the extending my evidence from the 1NC political capital key, this is from 2013 and it's written by the Dallas Morning News. So it's saying that the political capital is key. So they're saying that political capital is key. So it's saying that it's okay. They're saying that political capital is key, so that it's okay for So that's why we need to do our immigration plan, because after doing immigration plan and it will succeed, and when it succeeds, that everybody will see how good Obama is, and then he'll gain more political capital, which makes it possible for him to pass more bills. For the counter plan, we're talking about like the Alaskan government should invest it, and then that we donate them to the U.S. Coast Guard. But then we only say that the U.S. Coast Guard is using it to satisfy icebreaking missions, which means that it's nothing to do with the military, so it doesn't violate our own definition. And plus, it's not under the USFG, so it has nothing to do with our topicality argument. And as we said before, it has nothing to do with our immigration because our immigration is talking about the USFG, and this is under the borders of the USFG since it's done by the state governments. Corey, can I just like expand a bit of topic? Again, we have to re-say that a violation, they're act supposed to support infrastructure. They cannot just say that, oh, let's do vehicles, because it is unpredictable for the negative and it's bad for the education. Thank you.
After prep,
Yeah.
6:36, counting down.